bike ride. We know that in this community we have some of the highest health disparities per capita in the country, so it's important that we provide opportunities to be fit, get out here in nature. We have some of the best bike trails, nature and parks in Washington, D.C. here in Ward 8. So special thanks to Fresh Wind and all the sponsors and all the bike clubs that's joining us today on the bike ride as we promote wellness and fitness in our community.
And the bike ride was awesome. I'm so glad I did it. Good Hope Road, that hill was a killer, but I got up it.
Very good. This is my second time. I'll be back next year.
Cheers to Ramona, Fresh Wind, and everybody who's participating. So thank you again for a great event.
I would have never thought they had this here, but it's amazing. Great to see the community come out and support. Great event, great people, and love to come do it again.